This 2.5-story Victorian home will take you back in time. I'm Krista Norrish, your real estate expert with LePage in Port Elgin. Welcome to 615 Elgin Street. Located in the heart of Port Elgin, walking distance to restaurants, shops, cafes, and more. Surrounded by beautiful landscaping, private fenced-in yard, gazebo, and single-car garage. Inside, you're greeted by original character, including pocket doors, multiple fireplaces, solid wood trim, wood floors, and double access staircase. This home features 5 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, large covered walkout balcony, finished attic with powder room, updated plumbing, wiring, insulation, and metal roof. This home is also zoned for commercial use. To book your private tour, contact me, Krista Norrish, broker at LePage.